Here with a quick video about some of my favorite road trip tricks and my favorite Green Leaf Naturals products. I have certain things I like to do when I'm the passenger. Don't do these if you're driving. The rose water spray. Great anytime, but also keeps the car smelling really fresh. A clean pair of socks. A good amount of the amazing aloe vera moisturizing cream, and I slather that onto my feet. I immediately put these socks on. When you take them off, it's like you've had a spa pedicure. The sheet mask craze is not stopping anytime soon, but a lot of them have some questionable ingredients, so I make my own. You can buy just dry, plain sheet masks. A mixture of the amazing aloe vera moisturizing cream, plus a healthy amount of the aloe vera gel. To use my hand, you get the sheet mask nice and coated. You don't want to scare other drivers while wearing this, so I only do this on really quiet roads or if we're pulled over, like at a rest stop. After about 15 minutes, you take it off. Rub in any excess. Aloe vera has been called the plant of immortality. It keeps your skin cool. On a road trip, we know, is a great thing. Happy and beautiful travels.